Okay, so the purpose of this video illustration is to show you the Securities and Exchange Commission website so that you know where to go to look up a company's financial statements that you're going to need for your accounting project. So at the search, I'm going to type in their website, which is www.sec.gov. Hit enter, and then you'll notice it takes you to the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission website. So at the top, you've got all these little links. You want to go to the one where it says filings. So once I click filings, then it takes you to another screen that says filings and forms, and you want to go down here to where it says search for company filings. And at that point, you're going to have to know what company to look up. So the very first box down here for the Edgar search tools is where it says use the company or fund name or the ticker symbol. So when I click that, and of course, since I've already given you a list of the companies to look up, once you know the company and the ticker symbol, the fast way is if I go over here to where it says fast search, we're going to look up Coca-Cola because that's one of the companies we're going to be looking at. And of course, their ticker symbol that they trade on Wall Street is KO. I'm going to click search. And then right away, it's going to bring up all their filings. Notice at the top it says Coca-Cola Company, and it says see all their filings. They're all listed right down here below. The one that you want to find is the Form 10K, which is right here. That's Form 10K. You want to click on Documents, and then right away, the very first sequence, the very first filing you want, it says Description 10K. I'm going to click this link, and then there it is. United States Securities and Exchange Commission Form 10K. Notice this was for the fiscal year ended December 31st, 2017. This was last year's financial statements. And of course, this is all their filings. You can go ahead and read through all the Securities and Exchange rules about the Rule 12B and so forth. But you notice it even shows you right here the number of shares outstanding of the registrant's common stock as of February 16th, 2018. Notice it says that there's going to be a proxy statement held on April 25th, 2018. And then here's all their table of contents. And of course, this document is, if you look over here, it's about 163 pages. So again, do not print this on your printer. It's going to take all your paper and ink. But basically, you'll use this to kind of browse. You'll go to the financial statements. But all you have to do is start browsing. You got the management discussion and analysis, the MDA, as they always start these with all these Form 10K reports. But as you can see, all this information is free to the public. This is the official document of the company. It's filed with the government by the rules. And so this is where you'll go. This is what you'll need to do when you start to look at your financial accounting ratios. This is the website that you want to go to.